So hey, welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video I will show you how you can install MIUI 12.5 new boot animation on any Xiaomi phone. As you can see, this type of boot animation comes with the latest MIUI update MIUI 12.5. To install this boot animation on your phone, you need to root your phone because without rooting you can't apply boot animation on any phone. As you can see, I have already installed MIUI root on my phone. If you don't know how to root a Xiaomi phone, then you can check out the video description. So first you need to download this file. It's called MIUI 12 boot animation module. It's a MIUI module. Simply download from the description. Then open the MIUI manager. Click here. Tap on modules. Tap on plus button and select this file. After installing this file, you need to reboot your phone. So guys, as you can see, we have finally installed latest MIUI 12.5 boot animation on our phone. So like this, you can install latest boot animation on any Xiaomi phone. I hope this video helps you to install MIUI 12.5 boot animation on your phone. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more. I will see you in the next video.